Port forwarding on your Spectrum router lets you direct incoming internet traffic to specific devices on your home network. This is essential for hosting game servers like Minecraft, improving online gaming performance for Call of Duty and Xbox Live, or accessing applications remotely like VPN servers and web servers. Without port forwarding, your router's firewall and NAT or network address translation block these incoming connections. Spectrum supports port forwarding through its router's web interface. Log in using your admin credentials, usually found on the router itself, via the address 192.168.0.1. Recent Spectrum routers like the SAT2v1A, E31N2v1, and RAT2v1K released in 2024 use similar interfaces. Make sure your firmware is up to date for the latest features and security enhancements, which now include mandatory two-factor authentication. Remember that if you have a dynamic IP address from Spectrum, your port forwarding setup might break when your IP changes, so consider Spectrum's static IP service. To forward a port, start by navigating to the Advanced or Port Forwarding section of your Spectrum router's settings. Once there, add a new rule. Specify the external port, public-facing, internal port, private network, the protocol TCP or UDP, and the internal IP address of the device you want to forward the port to. For the protocol, choose TCP for reliable, ordered data transmission, or UDP for faster but less reliable communication. Always check what your game or application requires. For gaming, common ports include UDP ports 374, 375 for Xbox Live or TCP port 25565 for Minecraft servers. To ensure consistent forwarding, assign a static IP address to your device. This prevents the IP from changing and breaking your port forwarding rules. Enable UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, in your router settings if your application supports automatic port forwarding. This allows devices to configure ports without manual setup. Security is crucial when port forwarding. Only open the ports you absolutely need, and disable forwarding when you're not using them. Additionally, use strong passwords for your router and consider VPN encryption for added protection. If you encounter double NAT issues, where two routers create conflicting networks, consider placing your router in bridge mode or using DMZ, Demilitarized Zone, for testing. As IPv6 adoption grows, it may reduce the need for traditional port forwarding since it eliminates many NAT issues. Spectrum now offers AI-assisted diagnostics to detect common errors, so use their official app or website for guided tutorials.